I'm in a t-shirt. I'm cold. I'm cold.
Is Declan? Wyatt, is Declan being a little bit pissed off? Quit hugging me. Get your gay hands off.
Where's Mr. Archie?
I lost my teeth.
There he is.
I was 3 months.
I do not want to.
You can't ask that question. Yeah. I don't know what he's doing. It's a weird time. No, they have done it. It kind of sucks.
Yeah.
Like gaming too hard on the I know. I was mad at myself.
There's another fire truck.
There's another one!
I think so. Oh my god, we're gonna be here for like hours. I gotta log this too. Oh my god, okay, there's no way to make hot trick.
Oh, 4 fire trucks at my school. The fire alarm went off. I'm pretty sure there's no actual fire. There's no smoke. Oh wait, are we going back in? Okay, so basically what happened was, this all happened when we switched from second period to third period. So, before third period starts, there's like a 5-minute pause between 2 bells. So after the second bell, you're considered late, blah, blah, blah. So someone had pulled the alarm and was in roughly, I think, grade 9. So yeah, they were in grade 9, and, so they had pulled the alarm, so we all evacuated, and 4 fire trucks showed up, so then we all went to the elementary school beside us, and, before we were allowed entry into the school, we were all told we could head back into the school because there's no fire, because the fire department showed up and did an inspection. So, it was definitely interesting, to say the least, because I feel bad, because most of us were out there in t-shirts, because that's what our uniform is, at the school, and I feel bad for the teachers, because there wasn't enough time to take attendance, so that's basically everything that happened, so, yeah.